this video, we're going to go over on how to do a temporary filling using IRM, an Intermediate Restorative Material. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is go over the tray. So we're going to need the basic, as in every tray. We're going to need the Woodson, a mixing pad, the material, the powder and the liquid of the IRM, a flexible spatula, articulating paper holder with the articulating paper, and the disposables such as the 2x2s, the cotton rolls, floss, and a cotton tip applicator. And obviously we need to have a tube that it's already prepared to receive the material. So now this is the material. So before we dispense the material, we have to fluff it. You're going to get a better consistency and measurement of the powder. So we're going to take out 1 scoop of the powder, and we're going to level it with the spatula, and we're going to place it on one side, and then we're going to get the liquid. And we're just going to do, because we took 1 scoop, we're just going to do 1 drop. And make sure that the drop, you place the dropper straight when you're going to dispense it. This material, this IRM, that's an intermediate restorative material, the ingredients that this material has is zinc oxide, and the zinc oxide gives it the strength for the filling, and the liquid has eugenol, and the eugenol, it's a soothing agent for the pulp. So now we're going to start mixing. First, we have to divide the powder in half. We're going to introduce directly into the liquid. And we're going to start spatulating. Okay, then little by little we're going to be introducing the rest of the powder by increments. And again, keep spatulating. It's 1-to-1 ratio, but depending on the temperature of the office that you're at, if there's a lot of humidity, those factors will play a role on how the consistency or the powder to liquid ratio would be. So the manufacturer says if you need to add more powder or more liquid to the mixture, you can do so. Okay. This will start to get hard in 5 minutes, so there is like 1 minute to 2 minutes for you to spatulate, for you to mix this material until you get this kind of like hard consistency. Okay, so I think this is good. So I'm going to get this. And I am going to turn it into a log. But first, let's clean the spatula so it doesn't get, this material doesn't get stuck there. So now we're going to get this, and this is a good consistency. Now we can get the Woodson, the paddle side, and we're going to start so first we're gonna go in and we're going to place it into this area. Okay, once we have that, we are going to go and we're going to wet this in a little bit of water. And then we're going to pat this down. To give it a little bit of anatomy. And then this area over here, we're gonna go with the Explorer and we're going to clean this area here. Now we're going to remove the Tafelmeyer. So we're going to press this down and we're going to remove this first. Once that's out, we're just going to pull up. We're just going to take this out. The next thing to do is remove this over here. So we're going to take this out. So much. And then we're going to take this out. Right. And then very slowly so now we will get some floss. We are going to make a knot. So we're going to go here. And we're going to do this. And then we are going to and then we're going to check. If there is nothing in the filling, then it's okay. So there's nothing in the filling, so then it's okay. So what you do is you're just going to clean this out. It's courtesy for the patient, and that's how you do an IRM restoration.